In this video, we'll discuss the OT asset health tracking features of OT-Base. After logging on to OT-Base Asset Center, you will be taken to the Events page where you are informed about various event categories such as new devices, configuration changes, and new security vulnerabilities. One event category is Asset Health. This is what you see in this table. In the upper area, you see a diagram that shows the number of health events per day. What we see here is not good. Over the last couple of days, there was an increasing number of health events. The table below gives us more detail. Each row represents one event. You can see the date and time of the event, the health event type, an event message, and more. What is displayed in the various columns is actually configurable. The color codes represent device types. Computers are shown in light blue, whereas automation devices such as PLCs and RTUs are shown in violet. You can sort the table by clicking on column headers, and you can filter for event types by checking the boxes on top of the table. For example, if you are interested in network problems, we can check the reachability box. And if we are interested in storage exhaustion, we can check the HDD utilization box. In order to get a better idea of what's going on in our OT environment, we sort the event table by device ID, which will group entries by device. This way we quickly realize that all events originate from just 4 devices, 1 RTU and 3 computers. In order to see details, we just need to double-click the entry of interest. Let's start with the RTU, which apparently has network problems. Double-clicking any of the entries launches the device profile for this device, where we scroll down and open the health section. Here we get a nice graph that informs us when exactly the RTU was unreachable. We can pass this information on to maintenance for further analysis and troubleshooting. In the next example, we learn that our historian in control room 1 is running out of hard disk space. The detailed graph tells us that the problem is with drive C, whereas drive H apparently has a couple of terabytes left. This needs to be fixed in order to avoid the system to crash. Our Office PC in the control room apparently has some CPU and memory issues. But we decide to not do anything about this at the moment because it does not perform a critical function. Note that both for CPU and memory utilization, you see minimum, maximum, and average. Lastly, we encounter a critical issue. There is a hard disk defect at an engineering station that developed over the last couple of days. This must be fixed immediately. Finally, you can also activate email notifications for all events to make sure that you don't miss something important should you not monitor the events page in Asset Center regularly. So there you have it. That's how OT-Base helps you to track asset health in the interest of preventing system malfunction and downtime.